just want to say nothing. I have nothing to say. But yeah, today's just gonna be like a little day into my life, you know, a little fun vibes. As you can see from the outfit, I give you very much. What is this giving? I don't know, but I really like it. Like, I had this outfit for a while now. It's one of my favorite little girl outfits. I wore this before one time at the club, but I decided, you know, let me wear this today. Very much, y'all see. It's given very much Selena Marvelous. I would say silver, snake skin type of vibes, like very much snake mother, snake, you know, snake food, like snake vibes, like, you know, but I ain't no snake, I'm the realest one. I'm the realest ever. But I just like, you know, the texture of it. And this is like Velcro, so, you know, it's just something a little bit more. As you can see, you know, she been working out, she been getting herself together. So, you know, she got her little outfit on. And she feeling good today. She feeling good today. So, you know, I'm gonna sit there by y'all. Right now I am on my staircases. Y'all, can y'all see me when I'm walking the burgers? Oh, oh, oh. Y'all can see me all the way up here in the video. Yes, honey. Yes. The makeup today is very much light and natural. I didn't put on any earrings because I wanted to give like very much natural Selena Marvelous. I just decided to wear like some flip-flops. I literally, you know what? I should literally go to the store today because I should literally like go to the store and get me some lotion because my feet is like super ashy. But yeah. But this is the OOT today. And yes, we're about to get started with this marvelous vlog. So y'all, come on, we outside today. Today is a shopping day at one of my favorite stores. Can you guess where we're at? We're at Ikea. I have to get some new furniture for my new place. So we're gonna just be all around here. Like some shopping stuff. All of that good stuff. Ooh, this is so cute. See, I already have a couch, but I really need like a new, like, excuse me, like a back porch type of couch. This is really cute. I really want something like this. Like just for like a back, like, you know, patio type of couch. But we cannot get the first option. You have to go shopping a little bit more. Yeah. I really like the flowers.
I like that. Yeah.
So
Perfect. Okay.
yeah, something like this. All right, let's keep it going. Ooh. This is why we love Ikea. Oh my goodness. This is exactly why we love Ikea. Everybody go and support your local Ikea. It knows the vibes. Ooh, now this is really nice. This is actually really perfect. Oh, look at the picture. I love that couch. But this chair is everything. Oh my goodness, this chair is everything. I can most definitely see me like creating a lot of good content in this chair. Like, in this chair. Yes. Oh. Does this work? Oh, it does. You see it lighting up? That's really cute. Oh, look at this mini couch. I could get this for my little nephew when he comes over. Oh, that's so cute. All right, let's keep it going. Oh, wow. Now this is perfect. This is perfect right here. The only thing about it is it's a little pricey, but hey, it's really good. Always be kind. Oh, and look. This would be like such a good studio like section type of thing. Like I could do my makeup on this, and then it's like I can create content on this. This is really nice. I really like this. I'm gonna let you guys really pick out which, you know, I should get within it at all. Decisions. Oh, this is so cute. This would be perfect. This would be perfect right here. That'll be perfect. It's so much. Ooh. I love this. This whole area is really rich. And you know, I really want to be like more of like a plant mom. But we don't have to go to like a real garden and get like some real plants and stuff. Most definitely. Oh wow. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. What I would do for a tub like this. Does this door work? Oh, it's not a real door. What I would do for a tub like this. Okay, third time's the charm. I'm so sorry. It literally like keep falling. It literally keeps falling. So, a tub like this would be perfect for the new place. But I'm not really into like redecorating and all that stuff, you know, getting the new interior type of stuff, but I would really love to do something like this. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but hopefully, please don't fall. Please don't fall here. But yeah, it's like really much everything. Ooh. I just want to be my authentic self. Oh, sometimes I need a little help. It's so hard Look for the new album soon. The new album is coming out soon. That was just a little preview. But yes, this tub is everything. Like, oh my goodness. I really would love something like this. Something like this. Watch me go past another tub and then want to get something like that. That's like, ooh, this is not even pizza. Okie dokie, artichoke. Hey man, look at the stairs. Yes. I have to get this. I have to get this. I have to. Support the bag. It says, in honor of Pride Month, Ikea is teaming with True Colors and will IKEA is teaming with True Colors United States and will donate 100% of the advertising retail from each storm stemma. Shopping bag purchase online or in U.S. stores. True Colors United placement indicates solutions to youth homelessness that supports on the unique experiences of the LGBTQ young people, ensuring that everyone's services are safe and affirming for everyone. Yeah. So in honor of that, I'm going to get 2 bags. Because I want to support all of my lesbians, all of my gays, all of my trans out there who are, you know, needing that right now. Oh, they sold me. So, yeah. Do you know where I go for the checkout?
Right through the grate.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Yes. So major shout out to IKEA for celebrating, you know, all of the girls, all of the gays, all of the days. We love it. We love it. Oh my goodness. Yes. We love it. We love it. Oh, this would be so cute for my nephew. He would love a little table like this. Hello, how you doing? Ooh. We is in here. Y'all see that? That's so cute. I spotted another pride. Oh, honey. This one says, I make the world better. We make the world better. We make the world better. We do. Excuse me. Do you know where the couch section is?
You would have gone right by it. I don't know which way did you come up the escalator in the front? Look at your jumpsuit.
Thank you.
If you go back that way.
I like your bracelets and your rubber bands. It's really much showing pride.
Yes.
Amen. This way? Okay, thank you. Oh my goodness, I love your dress. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, so I already passed like the couch section and such. So let's go back over there again. Everybody is so nice. Oh, the thing about this store is like it's like a really, really big maze. Oh my god. When I tell you this was when I was little, I was obsessed with the yellow one. It was my favorite. I should make my nephew obsessed with it. Hi. I like your dress. You're welcome.
Yeah, I don't know. Should I get this map for my house? Should I get this map to let everybody know when they come in? This is a rainbow filled house. Oh my god, this is a good picture right here. Show your rainbow pride.